Welcome to Elegant Interiors and Modular Kitchens, where elegance meets innovation in interior design. With over 50 years of industry experience, we have been a trusted name in complete interior solutions. Since our brand launch in 2008, for the past 16 years, we have excelled in transforming spaces into stunning environments. Our team consists of in-house, expert architects and designers who craft tailored solutions to meet your unique needs. We offer a wide range of premium materials, including exclusive ceramic, glass, acrylic, solid wood, PU, and laminate finish, allowing you to customize your interiors to perfection. Our state-of-the-art 20,000 square foot factory is equipped with advanced CNC machines, ensuring precision and quality in every piece we create. We believe that quality is paramount when it comes to furniture, which is why we have a dedicated department focused on maintaining high standards for both customer and product quality. Additionally, our committed service department is always ready to assist with your needs, ensuring that you receive exceptional support every step of the way. With 8 experienced studios located across Karnataka and Tamil Nadu, including Bangalore, Mangalore, Calicut, Kannur, Payanur, Kanahangad, and Matul, we are well positioned to serve a diverse clientele.
അപ്പം ഈ ഒരു entire Mehvish എന്ന concept satisfied ആണ്
100%. And obviously once more ഇതിലെല്ലാം ഉപരി my wife, she is the backbone and all in all.
We shortlisted about 3 different interior companies, but when we spoke to Elegant Interiors, we absolutely loved them. And they were very proactive in that sense and was very keen to know as to what my design concepts were. And to be honest, the whole apartment is something that they've listened to me and have executed it really well.
I am Dr. Suraj, Dhanlakshmi, Srichand, Chaitanya Hospital, consultant urologist ആയിട്ട് വർക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്നു. ഇതെൻ്റെ വൈഫാണ്.
ഞാൻ ഡോക്ടർ ലേഖ, കണ്ണൂർ ഐ ട്രസ്റ്റ് ഐ കെയറിലെ ഒഫ്താൽമോളജിസ്റ്റ്. ഫിനിഷ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റി വളരെ പോസിറ്റീവാണ്. അവരുടെ പേര് പോലെ തന്നെ അവരുടെ വർക്കും പേരിന് ആപ്റ്റാണ്. കംപ്ലീറ്റ് എലഗൻ്റ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു വർക്കാണ് അവരുടെ.
ഇനി അങ്ങോട്ട് ഇനി ആർക്കെങ്കിലും ഇത് സജസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്യുമെന്ന് ചോദിച്ചാൽ 100% will suggest. There is no doubt about it.
Choose Elegant Interiors and Modular Kitchens for a complete interior solution. Let us bring your vision to life.